Greetings and welcome to this basic tutorial on how to use Elluminate Live. This session is going to show you the basics. It's not going to show you all the advanced features, but just the basics that you need to be able to work with a tutor. One of the first things you're going to notice when you come to the Elluminate Live session is this is the whiteboard and the screen that you're going to be looking at first. Some things you need to take care of, so let's just get these out of the way. This recording box, you're not going to need it unless you really want to record a session. You can do that, but if you're not going to, just click on the X and it's gone, it's out of your way. Next, go to the tools, come down to audio, go to the audio setup wizard, and if you're using a headset, which most likely you will be, make sure you check that. Then you're going to click OK, and it's going to walk you through the process of setting your microphone and speaker levels because you don't want it too high or too soft. I cannot click and go through this session because it'll override the recording I'm doing right now. So you're going to click OK, but I'm going to click Cancel. When you're done the setup wizard, come back up to Tools, come to Audio, and this time you're going to go down to set how many people can speak at the same time. Usually it's going to be you and one other person. If you're with a partner or there's a small group of you working together, you can actually set this to as many as 6. But for the most cases, you're going to be just you and one other person, so set it for 2, click OK, and you're done with that. Now in the participant box, you're going to see your name. Usually it won't say moderator here unless the other person's given you the ability to manipulate the screen. Make sure your microphone's present. If it's not, just click until it is there. And then you want to click on this icon to make sure it turns yellow. If it's yellow, that means the other person you're going to be working with can hear you. If they cannot hear you, there's a text box here. You can just come in here and send messages back and forth by typing and clicking enter, and the messages will be displayed right there for both of you to see, and you can work through your problem in that manner. When you're ready to work on your document, the document must already be open on your desktop. So to access the document, come up here to this monitor screen-like icon, click on that, and you're going to get a drop-down list here of all the things that are open on your screen. Look for the document you want. In this case, it's a Microsoft Office Word document. Click on it, click OK, and after a few crazy things happen to your computer, the document's going to appear in the device that would be used. Like in this case, it's Microsoft Word. So you're going to have all the tools you normally would have if you were in Word on your screen right now to access by the moderator and yourself to make changes. So you can highlight things, you can make changes, you can type things, you can basically do everything you normally would do in Microsoft Word together. When you're done, it's going to ask you if you want to save the document. If you like the changes you've made, then go ahead and click Save. If you aren't sure about things and you just want to keep the document the way it is, think about it, make changes later, then you don't have to do anything, just hit cancel and the document becomes your own again on your desktop the way it was. So basically that's it on how to use the basic functions of the Elluminate Live software. If you have any suggestions for making this a better tutorial, or if you have any questions, please contact the CIT department at Frostburg State University and we'll be glad to help you. Enjoy.